eyes red, talking to the ceiling again. Same fight, same fear, same ghost in the mirror, my friend. I was sleeping in my scars, wide awake in my head. Every win felt small, every doubt felt fed. Had chains on my tongue, heavy weight on my chest. Kept praying for a sign while I held my breath. Said I'm fine, that was all I'd say. Then I drank my pain, let it wash my days. Every promise I made turned paper thin. Every door I had slammed from the inside in. But there's a voice in the static cutting through my shame, whispering you're the spark, you're the one that changed. So I break the chains, hands up high while we scream my name. From the dirt, from the flames, I was lost, now I like my way. If you feel that weight like 1,000 stones, sing it out so the fear lets go. Break the chains, I'm the storm that I pray would save. I made peace with the past and then pull my sleeve. Like, remember this hurt, you belong with me. I was built on blame, I was carved in doubt, but I cut that script, tore the pages out. Now I run toward pain just to face that fear. Every bruise is a badge, every scar is clear. I was waiting on a hero, then I saw my face in the glass and the cracks, this a holy place, yeah. Now that voice in the static is my own heart's roar, saying stand back up, you were made for more. So I break the chains, hands up high while we scream my name. From the dirt, from the flames, I was lost, now I light my way. If you feel that weight like 1,000 stones, sing it out so the fear lets go. Break the chains, I'm the storm that I pray would save. This is for the nights I almost disappear, for the heavy thoughts that I still outstare, for the younger me that was drowning quiet. Now we turn that pain to a wartime choir. Every can that they carved in stone, I crush in my hand, make a stepping throne. I'm the wound, I'm the stitch, I'm the proof I'm whole. From the blackest pit to a blazing soul. Break the chains, hands up high while we scream my name.